Want some aloe vera plants?
Yeah. If you have, please give.
Yes, I'll
तुम अशोक जी बोल नहीं बोलो यार. Then I'll have to say Dr. G.
दोनों आप अशोक जी बोले तो दोनों अशोक देखने लगे यार ऐसे.
ऐसा है ना, अशोक चंदावरकर अशोक 1, अशोक कोठारी अशोक 2.
हम मणिपाल के 1 किलोमीटर में रहते थे. वो मैंने मिले नहीं, सिकोस ने मिलवा दिया.
हाँ, उस टाइम ज्यादा नहीं मेडिकल और उसका थोड़ा सा होता था, बट we were quite apart in
1 किलोमीटर ना, ज्यादा नहीं थे कुछ.
हाँ.
But you were so studious, so you never met me.
Yeah. And what were you doing?
Because he was not studious, he became a doctor.
We'll go live, Kishore bhai.
Yeah, we'll do live. Vivek?
Yes, sir. Just
live on Facebook, please.
Yes.
थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे डिसिप्लिन दिखाना पड़ेगा.
Yes, we are live.
Yeah, so we should actually 1-2 minutes is fine.
Yes, we are live.
Good, great.
We'll start, Sapna.
Namaste everyone. You can, Kishore bhai, you can.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning, everyone. I welcome you for 11th session of our yoga and meditation by Rotarian Sapna Priyadarshi. We have been enjoying for last 10 days. Today is our 11th day. Friends, there is a very beautiful sentence which I have come across yesterday, that yoga is the dance of every cell with the music of every breath that create inner serenity and harmony. And this is what we are doing every day for last 10 days, and we'll continue to do it till 21st day. We'll be learning a lot of things from tomorrow also with new guests. They will come almost every alternate day with us to tell about something new in yoga and meditation, which is a part of it. About that, Sapna ji will tell you at the end of the session. Yes. So thank you again. I welcome you all again. And now, Sapna ji, we can start, please.
Thank you, Kishore. And welcome to all of you who have been seriously, sincerely practicing for 10 days, as we said. And today is 11th day. From tomorrow, our countdown will begin. All right? चलिए शुरू हो जाते हैं. Let's start. Stand. Okay. Let's stand. We'll begin with deep breaths. Stand straight. Put your hands on your waist and spread your legs a little bit. अपने पैरों को थोड़ा सा दूर कर लीजिए, हाथों को अपनी कमर पर लगा लीजिए. And now take a deep breath in. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. ऊपर की तरफ अपने शरीर को खींचिए so that you feel the heaviness in your chest. Now slowly exhale. अब धीरे से सांस छोड़िए. So you can see when I inhale, और उसके बाद भी मैं बात करती हूँ, so that time I have hold my breath. You know, when you do yoga and all, you will reach that level very easily. Okay, so let's do it again. Inhale deeply, लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Hold and exhale. Again. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Hold your breath and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Great. Now, when you do inhaling and exhaling like this, with eyes closed, कुछ आपको दिखेगा सामने. You will start experiencing, since you are doing yoga for 10 days, you will see something different, not what you have been doing during your day, your clients, your work, but you will start experiencing something different. So please make a note of it. And I would love to discuss after these sessions, you know, and give you some tips and maybe some, why this happened, which stage you are at, kaisa aapne kiya. That will really be beautiful. Okay, now let us do Hastapadasana. हाथों को ऊपर लेके जाना है, लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए और सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे आना है, पैरों को छूना है. Alright, start. Let's inhale deeply. Hands up. Hold your breath. Exhale while going down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. आप ये कोशिश करिए when you are inhaling, वो लंबी गहरी सांस जब तक आप ऊपर जाए तब तक चलते रहनी चाहिए. If you are not able to do so, meaning you need more practice. And so should happen when you exhale. ठीक, exhaling भी आपकी पीछे तक होनी चाहिए. Exhale. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Down. Inhale, exhale. Can we do fast? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Great. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Relax. Relax. Now do Tadasana. Very important. Inhale deeply. It should go like this, as if you're pulling your stomach, your lungs, your heart area, you're pulling upward. Alright? So let's do. You inhale deeply, take your hands up, put them straight up, and you have to lift your feet. और मैंने आपको टिप दिया था, you can join your heel. So आप ये pose में हिलेंगे नहीं, you will be able to very stable when you do this. Alright? चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Inhale deeply. ऊपर जाइए. People sitting at the chair can do there itself, making a V shape and taking the hands up with a deep inhalation. Hold the breath. Exhale and down. Hand should be up. Inhale. Hold. Exhale and down. Great. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. जिन्हें दीवार का सहारा लेना है वो दीवार का सहारा लेकर के कर सकते हैं. गिरना नहीं है, but it will give you the same effect. Not to worry. Your spine should be straight. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Wherever you feel pain in your hands and all, you can put them down. आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं, आप ऐसे सर के ऊपर रख सकते हैं, उल्टा करके रख सकते हैं. You can even do this. Okay, if you experience any pain. अगर आपको हाथों में दर्द हो रहा है, आपने हथौड़ी इस तरह से उंगलियों को जोड़ लीजिए और ऐसे रख लीजिए. ठीक है? That also you can do. You are resting them. Down. But inhalation and exhalation continuously. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Great. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Let's see how long you can. There should be a great pull in your calves. Initially it will give you pain. Not to worry at all. ऊपर खींच के बॉडी को खड़े रहिए. दिन में 30 सेकंड से 1 मिनट तक भी अगर आप ये पोज कर लेते हैं, फैंटास्टिक. You can start at 5 seconds, 4 seconds, not an issue. And exhale. Great. Great. Okay. Let us do cardio pose. Inhaling, exhaling. We'll go continuously. सांस लेते रहना है, छोड़ते रहना है, हाथों को इस तरह से करना है. Let's do. हम पीटी करते थे ऐसे स्कूल में, right? Okay. It puts pressure on your heart. It's very good. Do it again. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. I told you earlier, people who are not able to lift up the ground, they can just do it like this. देखिए ऐसे कर सकते हैं आप. Look at the variation of this. You can stand like that. You have to spread your knees, like this. थोड़ा pull होगा. It will not be giving complete pressure on your heart at all, but at least a variation you can do. Okay. Now, again, Monday we did this. Join your thumb, the tip of your thumbs. You'll be looking at this, gaze. The concentration should be completely on this joint. Spread your legs a little bit. Arrow को फैलाइए, अंगूठे को जोड़िए, and twist. Inhale and twist. Look at me. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. When you go back, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Start. शुरू करिए. लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए लेफ्ट जाना है. सांस छोड़नी है. फिर वापस सांस लेते हुए आना है. फिर सांस छोड़नी है. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. 8, 9, 10. Stop. Stop. Just experience people who can do. The rest of the people are already sitting on the chair. The people standing, if it is possible for them, please make a chair pose a little bit. People who cannot make it like this, they can make half. Who cannot make it like this, they can do like this. इसे भी chair pose कहते हैं. Like this. Otherwise the right thing is like this. You can do like this. You can do like this. थोड़ा सा. There should be a bend in your knees. Just do it. You do it. Up. And do it. 2. सांस लेके ऊपर चढ़ना है, छोड़ते हुए नीचे आना है. Plate. Down and up. Down and up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. You will get a great flexibility. Inhale. Exhale. Sorry. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Fantastic. All right. Great. Let's do the chest opening. Very, very important. Just spread a little bit of your legs. थोड़ा सा बस पैरों को फैलाइए, ज्यादा नहीं. हाथों को सीधा लीजिए. Join your palms. हथौलियों को जोड़ लीजिए और पीछे लेके जाना है. लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए. जब आप ओपन करेंगे, सांस अंदर आनी चाहिए. वापस आते समय सांस को छोड़ेंगे. So inhale deeply like this. And exhale. Inhale 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 and exhale. Great. Please open your shoulders quickly. Start doing it like this. या तो ऐसे रख लीजिए, या हाथों को ऐसे रख लीजिए, या ऐसे रखिए. ठीक है? Either way, whatever you are comfortable with. जिस भी पोजीशन में आप कंफर्टेबल हैं, आप ऐसे करिए. Rotate your shoulders quickly. 1, front to back. 2. सांस लेनी है, छोड़नी है. पीछे जाना है, सांस लेनी है, आगे आना है, छोड़ना है. स्टार्ट करिए, ऑटोमेटिकली होता रहेगा. Do not focus on your breath right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now back to front. पीछे से आगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. Okay. Let us all sit down. चलिए बैठ जाते हैं. Please sit, all of you. Okay. All right. Now, the breathing technique we'll do. See, all these are the pranayamas, only a little bit of deviation with the exercises that we do, the asanas that we do. Every asana we are doing because yoga says you should always focus on your breath. You should be inhaling and exhaling whenever, whatever you do. Okay? All right. So make your fist of your palms. मुट्ठियां बना लीजिए. And put like this, pressure at the below your navel area, lower abdomen. Pressure लगाइए यहाँ lower abdomen area में. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लेनी है और एक्सहेल करते हुए नीचे जाना है. ये प्रेशर होना चाहिए आपके स्टमक में. इनहेल, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Now do the same thing, little left side. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. अपने बाएं तरफ झुकना है. Inhale, exhale, inhale. अब अपने दाहिने तरफ झुकना है. Now you have to, bend towards right. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Don't bend too much. Should not strain your back or waist. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Just remember, the pressure should be high on your lower abdomen area. उसको छोड़ना नहीं है. कस के pressure लगाए रखना है. Now last, front and back. Exhale, hold, when you hold like this, you will feel the heaviness in your lungs as well as your chest area. Inhale up, exhale down, hold the pose. अब गहरी सांस लेते हुए ऊपर आइए. सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे जाइए. वहीं रुक जाइए. जमीन पे सर रहे. Inhale and come up. Great. Fantastic. All right. Now let us start doing pranayamas. Very important. But before that, a small tip I would like to give you. I'm sure you must be aware of. आपको पता भी होगा. कई बार आपको एसिडिटी होती है या कई बार आपको गैस फॉर्म हो जाती है और आपको पता भी चलता है कि देयर इज अ गैस. योर स्टमक गेट्स ब्लो, है ना, फूला हुआ सा लगता है. तो उस केस में हम कहते हैं कि पवन मुक्त आसना यू शुड डू. विंड रिलीजिंग पोज कहा जाता है उसको. दिस एनीवन कैन डू वेरी हैप्पीली. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज फॉर दैट जस्ट लाई डाउन. नीचे आपको लेटना है. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू दिस. यू कैन डू व्हेनेवर इट इज नीडेड. इट्स जस्ट अ टिप ऑफ द डे. यू कैन जस्ट लाई डाउन. आपको लेट जाना है और उसके बाद धीरे से अपने पैरों को उठाना है. बिकॉज द elderly people may find it little difficult, so they have to be very careful. If you have arthritis, you should be avoiding this. बहुत ज्यादा है तो ठीक है. लेटने के बाद पैरों को धीरे से उठाना है. फिर अपने इन दोनों हाथों से ऐसे हग, कंप्लीटली हग, एक कोली टाइप भर लेनी है और कोशिश करनी है कि पैर आपके स्टमक को प्रेशर दे रहे हो, आपके पेट को प्रेशर दे रहे हो. There should be a pressure on your stomach with the support of your thighs, and you can put the way you want. सर को ऊपर उठाइए, lift your head, put your chin inside. Here I can give you a tip. You can take the help of pillows behind your neck, head. 3-4 पिलो लगा करके आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं, so that you are in that pose. आराम मिले आपको. For the elderly people, जब आप ऐसे रखेंगे पोज को, because you need a support, otherwise you will leave it immediately. So you need a support to do this, right? Sometimes if you want the help of others, you can do that. तो जब आप ऐसे करेंगे, after some time you will feel, after few seconds, a minute, you will feel that wind has started releasing. So this will be very good. No medicines will be required. Trust me, you'll be able to do that. Great. उसके बाद धीरे से पैरों को छोड़िएगा, straight and lie down for some time. आराम से थोड़ी देर के लिए relax होके लेट जाइएगा. Then turn slowly to your left like this and get up. Okay? All right. So let's start with our pranayamas. शुरू करते हैं नाड़ी शुद्धि प्राणायाम से. Sit in the cross-legged position. पालथी मार करके बैठ जाइए. हमेशा ध्यान रहे, never sit directly on the ground while doing any asana or meditation or pranayama, because your body releases the energy and takes the other energy. So whatever energy you are releasing, that should not go into the earth. That should be in your body itself. Okay? Start करते हैं. अनुलोम विलोम. Same as I told you, with few differences with नाड़ी शुद्धि. So start it. शुरू करिए. एक नाक से सांस लेनी है गहरी और दूसरी से छोड़नी है, फिर जिससे छोड़ी है उसी से खींचनी है और दूसरी से छोड़नी है. All right? So let us begin with inhale deeply from your right. Hold and exhale from your left. बस ये ध्यान रहे, don't continuously do it like ली छोड़ी. No, if you do that, you are not getting that oxygen inside. So you have to, inhale deeply, hold the breath so that it goes inside. कम से कम lungs तक पहुंचे तो सही. तो लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. कितना round किया is not important. Correct किया, we could actually take the oxygen to our lungs. That is more important. So inhale deeply, hold the breath, few seconds, and then release from the other nostril. Okay, take it. Inhale, block the nostril, hold the breath. Now exhale. Now inhale from left deeply. Hold and exhale from the right. As I told you, ये मत समझिए कि अरे हम बहुत धीरे कर रहे हैं, हमने तो एक ही राउंड किया. I told you, if you do faster, फायदा नहीं होगा. So do it. Exhale. Now inhale from left. And exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Now exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. and exhale from the left. Wait for my commands, okay? Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. While inhaling, you must experience the heaviness near your chest area. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, रोकिए और दूसरी नाक से छोड़िए। फिर गहरी सांस लीजिए, रोकिए और दूसरी नाक से छोड़िए। फिर लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, रोके रखिए, अब दूसरी से छोड़िए। Now relax, relax. When you do on your own, please increase the duration of each pranayama, the breathing exercise that we are doing. You should. Okay. And as I mentioned earlier, people experiencing acidity, severe acidity problems and all should not do Kapalabhati. They should rather do Bhastrika. Okay, and Anulom Vilom. Very good for them. So when we do Kapalabhati, you can do Bhastrika or you can continue with your Anulom Vilom. चलिए शुरू करते हैं कपालभाति। आप सबको पता है, you all know that you have to breathe in heavily, deeply, and you have to take till your tummy. पेट फूल जाएगा, उसके बाद आप जोर से सांस बाहर निकालेंगे, पेट अंदर जाएगा. So you have to inhale deeply, lower your stomach, and exhale while taking your stomach inside, tummy inside, the belly inside. Okay, completely अंदर जाएगी, ठीक, बाहर आएगी, अंदर जाएगी. ठीक है, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Inhale and exhale. Slow करिए because you should take that. सिर्फ पेट फूलने से काम नहीं चलेगा. If you blow your stomach, then you're only doing the stomach exercise. Your tummy will reduce. That's it. But here we are focusing on our breath, increasing the oxygen. So please take a deep breath in. और उसको रोकिए, अंदर ले जाके. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Let it get spread. And exhale. सांस छोड़िए. Again inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Great. Now let us do a little faster version. थोड़ा faster करते हैं. We advise you not to consume curd, any cold during these days. Please avoid. ठंडा मटके का पानी भी मत पीजिए. Please take normal water. I would appreciate if you keep taking warm water throughout the day. Now people ask, मेरे को acidity है, मुझे problem हो जाएगी. नहीं होगी. Warm water, please take that. It will help you. Okay, please take. Okay, let's do faster Kapalabhati. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, great. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Fantastic. Inhale, exhale. 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 चलिए करिए. Stop. If you do correctly, आपका गला सूखेगा. You will feel the dryness in your neck, in your throat, and little bit of giddiness also. When you do Kapalbhati, थोड़ा बहुत हल्का फुल्का चक्कर भी लगेगा आपको. Stop. Stop then and relax. Not to worry. Stop and relax. कोई भी चीज पहली बार खाई जाती है उसका टेस्ट पता नहीं होता है. या तो कड़वी लगती है, खट्टी लगती है, मीठी लगती है. You know, and slowly you get used to it. Okay. Let's do faster round of Kapalbhati. Quick round, quick bite. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. All of you, come on. Come on, can I see? Great. When you do this very fast round, you will feel the heaviness, the stiffness, a little bit of pain in your upper neck, upper shoulder, you know, and little bit of heaviness in the lower head, backside. That's fine. But don't strain again. बहुत लंबा नहीं करना है. I told you this earlier also. धीरे-धीरे pamper your body. Support your head, support your brain, support your each area, you know, each part of your body. Okay. Now quickly neck exercise. जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया था, faster round. When you do, you will feel the heaviness, stiffness. So you should do the neck round. Okay, neck exercise compulsory. You should do this. Left, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, right, exhale. Inhale, left, exhale. Inhale, right, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Right, left, right, left. Great. Let's do Kapalbhati one more round. Faster. Start. You will also feel a little bit of pain in your lower back, in your tummy, internal organs. That's fine. You have started activating them. Perfectly fine. Now let's do rotating of our neck quickly. 1, 2. गर्दन को घुमाइए धीरे-धीरे, बहुत धीरे से करना है ये. 3, 4, 5 and 6. कई बार मैंने देखा है लोग ऐसे करते हैं जल्दी में, तो झटका आ जाता है गर्दन में. Please don't do that. You'll strain your neck. Very slowly. When you do neck exercise, you should always do slowly. ठीक है, बहुत धीरे से रोटेट करना है और धीरे से सामने लाना है. Alright? Okay. Now let us do Bhastrika. Bhastrika करते हैं. You all know Bhastrika will be bringing the breath till here. Okay? So chest तक लेके आना है. Avoid bananas these days. Okay. All right. So let's do inhale, bring till your chest, and exhale. जल्दी नहीं करना है. Chest तक आए तो वहां पहले तो. All right. So inhale. Great. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. चेस्ट तक खींचिए लंबी सांस और चेस्ट से ही बाहर निकालिए. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Do it a little faster. Great. You must have felt great dryness in your neck. The chest must have been a little heavy, this area, shoulders. Great. Do it. Okay. And here also, if you feel heaviness in your neck, then please you can do the neck exercises. All right. You can do like this slowly, left and right and left and right. That you've taken a work from your neck, right? Don't you want to give a rest to it? Don't you want to pamper it? कितना काम करवा लिया आपने अपने neck से, लंबी लंबी सांस लेकर के, throat से, so please pamper it. है ना? धीरे धीरे pamper करिए इसको. धीरे धीरे. Yes. Left and right and left and right. Great. Okay. Now one more round of Bhastrika. शुरू करते हैं. Fast. Bhastrika में shoulder movement होता रहता है. That means you are taking breath till here. Great. Great. Very good. Great. If you feel heaviness, you can quickly do your neck exercise again. You don't need anyone to tell you that. It's your body. आपका शरीर है, आपको डिसाइड करना है that you want your neck to support you for a longer time or not. Very important area to connect with our neurosystem. All right. Okay. चलिए अब let us do that. Breathe in heavily. सिर्फ आपके head, nose, mouth. You'll feel that. Breathe heavily and मुंह से निकालेंगे आज इस तरह से जैसे आप शंख बजा रहे हो. तेजी से आपके ये cheeks फूल जाएंगे. They will glow. Your cheeks will have the entire air in when you are blowing it out. चलिए लंबी सांस लीजिए through your nose only. बस ऊपर तक लेना है. अंदर नहीं ले रहे हैं. गर्दन तक फैल गई और आप मुंह से ऐसे करिए. ये साउंड निकल रहा है, देख रहे हैं. Do it. Inhale. Exhale. We do this in face yoga also. चलिए. Inhale. Exhale. शंख नहीं है लेकिन आप आवाज निकाल रहे हैं. Inhale. Exhale. ये पूरे फूल गए. Please do this. गालों में खिंचाव महसूस होगा. Upper portion of neck, thyroid, you will feel little pain here, little stiffness here, and tonsils के पास. Good. You're activating that area. So this you should do for about 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes at your home. अब जब आप ऐसे करते हो, the entire air from here back, bottom, it's entirely coming out, right? So this is very important. Keep on doing that. Okay, great. So now let's just breathe out heavily through your nose. दोनों नाक से एक साथ आपने श्वास को छोड़ा है. Cleansing technique. Great. Fantastic. चलिए 2 राउंड भ्रमरी का कर लेते हैं. Let's do 2 rounds of भ्रमरी. You can still do like this, I told you. If you don't want to strain your shoulders, no problem. The focus has to be on our breath, on vibrating sound, and by closing your eyes, you will imagine the internal organs in the area of your stomach. और imagine करेंगे वो vibrating sound clean करता आ रहा है. You know, जब शंख बजता है, घंटियां बजती हैं मंदिर में, the logic is that all the negative aura around, negative energy around, जो कीड़े मकोड़े हैं, you know, all that will die. That is our logic behind it, the scientific logic behind it. वही चीज आप कर रहे हैं अपने साथ. Make that vibrating sound and cleanse your body. Alright? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं भ्रमरी. Make a vibrating sound. इस तरह का साउंड निकालना है, ठीक है? Let us do. Imagine from the lower root chakra. अपनी स्पीड से ऊपर आते रहिए. ऊपर पहुंच गए. अब क्राउन चक्रा से नीचे जाएंगे मौका साउंड बनाते हुए. वाइब्रेटिंग साउंड. Again, we are going from bottom to up. Up to bottom. You reach bottom. Open your eyes. Now trust me, when you do this Brahmari, one is normal way, just making a sound and focusing on vibration. That is one way. The deviation that I told you is when you do this way, you will feel the transition within. You will feel the vibrations of some organs also inside, internally, with this long practice. All right? You know, spread your legs as you have been sitting in the cross-legged position for a long time. Spread your legs and let's do leg exercises quickly. Okay. Inward, outward. अंदर की तरफ घुमाइए, फिर बाहर की तरफ पैरों को ले जाइए. Again, like this. Inward and outward. 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 After sitting longer time, after sitting longer duration in your cross-legged, when you do this, you feel very relaxed. है ना? बड़ा आराम मिलता है आपको पैरों में. बिकॉज़ पैरों से भी तो काम करवा लिया ना, इतनी देर क्रॉस लेगेड पोजीशन में बैठे थे, तो लेट अस पैम्पर देम. ओके, sitting in the chair also you can do this. बिना काम कराए भी तो पैम्पर कर सकते हैं ना. People who are sitting on the chair, they should also do this. It is something like without expecting anything in return, when you do something, you know, then the reward is like amazing. But जहां थोड़ा सा सोच लिया कि हमने ये किया, इसके बदले में हमें ये मिलेगा, जब आप हिसाब करने लगे हैं तो ऊपर वाला भी हिसाब में लग जाता है. Great. All right. So let us see what is the time, and accordingly we can. Okay, we can take about 10 minutes of meditation. Sit in the cross-legged position. Okay. With your hands up, facing upward on your thighs or lap or knees. Make Jnana Mudra or Samana Mudra.
Can I come in, madam, please?
Yeah, please.
Mic, madam.
Okay. All right. Yeah, Vivek. I'll do that. Yes, Vivek? Yeah, thank you. I'll do that. Thank you for reminding Vivek. Thank you. Just a second. Okay. Yes. Right. Okay, sit down in the cross-legged position. ज्ञान मुद्रा बना लीजिए. ज्ञान मुद्रा is very important. मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि मुद्राओं का अपना जादू होता है. Mudras help you a lot because these are the hand gestures that we use. With using this thumb and index finger, whenever you want to concentrate, this is the best pose because your thumb is nothing but fire and this is nothing but air. So जो अग्नि है आपके अंदर कुछ कर दिखाने की, जो भी आप चाहते हैं, whatever you are focusing at, इस अग्नि को हवा कौन देगा? Who will actually, blow this fire? So air is needed for that, right? इसलिए ज्ञान मुद्रा बनाई जाती है. Whenever you see all the idols in our Hindu mythology also and temples वगैरह में अगर आप जाएंगे तो you will see Lord Shiva and many different Lord idols. You'll see sitting like this, So that is the logic behind this. चलिए बैठते हैं. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Let us invoke the divine energy all around. We all have that universal energy around us. The only thing is we have to connect ourselves to it. Connect करने के लिए you have to be like that. Everyone cannot connect. So try your level best. है ना? अगर आपको हरे रंग पे पेंटिंग करनी है और थोड़ी खराब हो गई और फिर से आपको उसको ठीक करना है तो हरा रंग ही लगाना होगा. If you put red color there, then painting will very clearly, it will be visible कि भैया ये spoil हो गई थी, something else you have used. So similarity, the uniqueness, that is needed, right? So let us invoke the energy. Let the atmosphere be purified by the divine power. मेरे आसपास का जो वातावरण है वो पवित्र हो जाए, उस दिव्य शक्ति से पवित्र हो जाए. Let the atmosphere be purified by the divine power. Let this divine energy, the universal energy, enter into my physical body and the life force. ये दिव्य शक्ति मेरे शरीर में, मेरी आत्मा में प्रवेश करे, मेरे विचारों में प्रवेश करे. Let this divine energy protect me, guide me throughout my life. ये ईश्वरीय शक्ति, ये दिव्य शक्ति मुझे मेरे हर कार्य में सामर्थ्य बनाए, मेरा साथ दे। Salutation to my mother, salutation to my father, and salutation to my guru. Now take a deep breath in. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए। Breathe out. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए। Breathe out. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए and breathe out. Now focus your attention on your third eye center. अब अपना ध्यान अपने आजना चक्र पर लगाइए, अपने आईब्रो सेंटर पर लगाइए। उस हिस्से को जब आप केवल सोचने लगेंगे, बंद आंखों से देखने लगेंगे, कुछ दिन में you will start feeling the vibration at your third eye center. Inhale with your focus on third eye center. Once again, inhale deeply. Exhale. When you inhale deeply and simultaneously imagine your third eye center, you will feel vibrations there. Inhale and focus your attention on your third eye center. Keep your face looking upward. This will help you to focus on your third eye center. एक छोटा सा बिंदु है आपके थर्ड आई सेंटर पर, उसे इमेजिन करिए। Keep focusing on third eye center. Now start chanting Om. With your focus on third eye center. Now slowly shift your attention to your crown chakra. अपना ध्यान अपने आजना चक्रा से हटा करके सहस्रारा चक्रा पर लगाइए, जो आपके सर के ऊपर सेंटर में जहां मांग निकालते हैं वहां है। The crown at the center of your crown. Focus your attention there. Focus your attention at your crown. Focus your attention at your crown. Just imagine a point, the center of your head, upper part. And slowly imagine yourself going out till the door of your house. अपने आप को इमेजिन करिए कि आप अपने घर के मेन दरवाजे की तरफ जा रहे हैं. You are going toward your main gate of your house. आपने दरवाजा खोला और अब आप बाहर आ गए हैं. अब बाहर आए और अब आप एक पार्क में जा रहे हैं. Walking and you've reached a park. एक गार्डन में पहुंच गए आप अंदर आए. बहुत बड़ा गार्डन है ये, बहुत बड़ा. बहुत बड़ा गार्डन है. Here you can see beautiful trees all around. Beautiful trees all around. You can see that there are so beautiful trees all around that you've reached this garden. It's a huge, big garden. You're so happy. You started walking in. Trees all around, flowers all around, butterflies all around. Wow. आप आगे बढ़े. आपने एक फाउंटेन देखा, वाटर फाउंटेन देखा. बहुत सुंदर है ये वाटर फाउंटेन. इमेजिन करिए इस वाटर फाउंटेन को, पानी इसका किस तरह से बह रहा है नीचे की तरफ, ऊपर की तरफ. वाओ, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. पानी की आवाज कितनी अच्छी है. The birds are chirping all around. ये देखिए कितनी अच्छी ध्वनि आ रही है चारों तरफ. चिड़ियों का चहचहाना आप सुन रहे हैं. आप और आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. चारों तरफ सुंदर ही सुंदर फूल हैं, पेड़ हैं. आप उन्हें छू रहे हैं. आप अपने हाथों से उन सभी पेड़ों को, फूलों को छू रहे हैं, स्पर्श कर रहे हैं. You're touching all those flowers. You're touching all those trees. You're touching all those trees. Wow, such a beautiful breeze. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं सिर्फ गार्डन है, दूर दूर तक सिर्फ हरियाली ही हरियाली है. You're feeling so good. Take the fresh air in. ये तेज हवा बहने लगी है अब now. The breeze is very beautiful. Feel this breeze. You're going further and you saw a few friends of yours there. आपने अपने कुछ दोस्तों को वहां देखा उसी गार्डन में. and you're so happy. आप उनके पास आए, you hugged each other. फिर सब मिलकर के आगे बढ़ने लगे. You all are laughing. जोर जोर से हंस रहे हैं आप लोग. Wow. चारों तरफ हरियाली ही हरियाली. You have only the green trees, flowers, birds, waterfalls, छोटे छोटे. Further you are going ahead, then you saw small mountains. You saw small mountains. Wow, so beautiful. You're so close to nature. आप वहीं आराम से बैठ गए. All of you sat down. नीचे घास पर बैठ गए आप सब. You all sat there. And you closed your eyes. And you started inhaling the fresh air. आप उसी गार्डन में बैठे हुए फ्रेश एयर को ले रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन ले रहे हैं. And exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. Great. Enjoy the moment. Suddenly it start raining. हल्की हल्की बारिश की बूंदें पड़ने लगी. आप खड़े हुए and you are coming back. You came home and sat on the sofa in a relaxed manner. All this positive energy is within you now. Feel the entire positive energy within you. You are coming back to your body. You're coming back to your body. You're coming back to your body. And now you feel the white energy within you, the universal energy within you, getting spread in the entire body. Just focus your attention for a few seconds on your root chakra. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, सांस छोड़िए, अपना ध्यान रूट चक्र पर लगाइए. Now, say to yourself, I in my lifetime will not harm anybody's body or mind or my body or mind. मैं किसी को भी शारीरिक या मानसिक रूप से चोट नहीं पहुंचाऊंगी, ना ही स्वयं को पहुंचाऊंगी या पहुंचाऊंगा. I try to help others who are suffering. मैं उन सब की सहायता करूंगी, मदद करूंगी जो भी इस समय दुखी हैं. Let the peace prevail on us, around us, throughout the world. Peace, peace, peace. Now slowly take your hands up, join them, rub your palms. हथेलियों को मलिए और मलते हुए अपनी आंखों पर रखिए. Put your palms on your eyelids. Now slowly rub them down. And slowly, very slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes, very slowly. Thank you, Vivek. Can you just, I'll remove I'll remove this phone, Vivek, speaker. Can you show that tomorrow's वाला दिखा दीजिए. We'll talk about that also. Yes.
काय ती कोणाकी आपण तसं.
I would request President to talk about this.
Yeah, friends, as we have next few days, we'll be having a guest almost every alternate day. Our first guest tomorrow will be Reena Deswal, who is expert in karmic healing.
Others, to mute others.
Sorry.
I request Vivek to mute others.
Yeah. Yeah, Vivek, just mute. I think in short, I think many of you must have heard what is karmic healing, or some of you may not be, I mean, like me, many of us may not be knowing what is karmic healing.
Pranic healing.
Yeah. Okay, so karmic means pranic, is it?
We are talking about pranic healing. Pranic healing.
Pranic healing, okay. I'm sorry, pranic healing.
Yeah.
So this pranic healing is what Reena Deswal will explain us tomorrow, and how we can get energy from that, and how we can heal others and ourselves. I think that is what Reena ji will tell us. So
pranic healing is basically pran, your energy, your life force energy. So that is what this pranic healing is, that you actually balance and channelize your energy which is within you. Because there is only life force energy because of which we actually work. That gets stuck somewhere, these panchabhutas and all, So they together, there's a pranic energy within us which needs to be channelized. वो जहाँ रुक जाती है, wherever it gets stuck, the disease occur there. So basically pranic energy is just to heal yourself with the help of meditation, right? And other things also. So that is what she is one of my team members. She is into pranic healing and all. And we do this with our programs also. So I'm inviting her tomorrow.
So let's, learn about pranic healing tomorrow. And any questions? We can take one or two questions if anyone has anything to ask Sapna ji, please. Yeah, friends, today Sapna ji in her meditation took us to a garden, and took us to a beautiful garden. But we have one person here who is a renowned environmentalist, who daily does, without doing this, he daily goes in his dreams to different gardens, and he's our Seacoast past president. Is a practicing doctor for last more than 50 years, a great human being, great, a true Rotarian. I now invite our Dr. Ashok Kothari to give a vote of thanks. Ashok ji, please.
Thank you, President. Thank you very much for arranging such good session. And thank you, Yog Guru Sapna ji, you imparting knowledge very systematically, every day, very punctually and tirelessly. Now, all of us are benefited, not only our lungs, heart, but joints, even those who are sitting on laptop, their neck muscles also are benefited by your techniques. And in Gujarati, there is a saying that Pelu Sukten Jate Narya. Good health brings happiness. Good health through yoga brings happiness. I thank you again, but I invite other Rotarians, other friends also to join. You can join from tomorrow. Then also you gain a lot. Salute Guru Sapna ji.
Thank you. Thank you, Ashok. Thank you so much. So we are lucky to have 4 Ashoka pillars in our Seacoast. So, fourth one, I think we'll have to catch him sometime and also bring for a vote of thanks. So, thank you so much. I will see you all tomorrow at 7:30 in the morning. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.